In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty deleted items automatically in Outlook. If your mailbox fills up quickly or you forget to empty trash, turning on this setting can keep things tidy and help your account run smoothly. I'll walk you through the exact clicks in Outlook on the web and share a few quick tips so you know what to expect. First, open your browser and search for Outlook. From the results, select the official Outlook website so you land on the Outlook web mailbox. Once your mailbox is open, look to the upper right corner for the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click that to open the settings panel. This is where Outlook groups most of the options that affect how your mail behaves. In the settings panel, navigate to the mail section and find the area labeled message handling. Depending on your version, message handling might appear under layout or handling, but it will be clearly related to how messages are managed. Open that section to reveal options that control what Outlook does with your messages behind the scenes. Now locate the option labeled Empty My Deleted Items folder. Turn this on. This tells Outlook to automatically clear out anything you've placed in the deleted items folder, so you don't have to remember to empty it yourself. It's a simple switch, but it can make a big difference in keeping your mailbox uncluttered. Before you move on, a quick note: once items are emptied from deleted items, they are typically removed permanently and may only be recoverable for a limited time depending on your account's retention policy. If there's anything you think you might need later, move it out of deleted items into a safe folder before enabling this option. Creating a folder called Keep or Archive can be a good safeguard. When you're happy with the setting, click Save. This applies the change to your mailbox immediately if the layout or exact labels look slightly different for you. Especially if you're using a work or school account, the setting name will still reference deleted items and will be located in the same general message handling area. That's it. With the change saved, Outlook will automatically take care of emptying your deleted items folder on your behalf, helping you maintain a cleaner, more efficient inbox with less manual upkeep. Thanks for watching and enjoy the extra mailbox breathing room.